Hi, we're Leisure Time. My name is Cole. We're doing a hot tub install today in Star Valley. It's a little bit chilly out today, about 25, but not snowing right now, so roads aren't too bad. So yeah, come with us on this install. We're removing one old tub and we're installing a brand new one for them, so it should be fun up there. Alright, so here we have the old tub here. He's had it for about 5 years, but we're going to get rid of it for him, put in a new one. Right, what we're doing right now, we're just going to slide it out, tip it on its side, and then we'll install the new one and put that one back on the trailer, take it back for John. So we're now putting in the new hot tub. We have the old hot tub set over there, ready to go on the trailer. And we're going to put this new one on the deck the exact same way we got that old one off. We're gonna tip it on its side, slide it on over, and then tip it onto the deck. And then we'll go from there. Alright, so we just barely got the new tub set in place. It's all here ready to go. Now we're going to actually hook it up. We're going to hook up the electrical, put on the lifter for the cover, and then we should be able to get ready and get filling. Alright, behind me is the customer's old tub. It's pretty beat up, so we're just going to take it to the dump. And we've got the new tub all over there. The electrician hooked it all up, so we should be good to get filling.